So hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will review some housing items. Those items are very useful for my small place. I will also try on a fancy Christmas prom dress. So this video is sponsored by Shein. All the links are in the description box. Let's start this video. It's a Ruffle bedding. And my son is sleeping. He went to bed early today, so the color is beige. I like the Ruffle pillowcase. This part is actually for duvet cover, but we don't have a duvet, so I use it as a bed sheet. So it looks like that. So this will look prettier if we have a bed frame, but we just don't have enough space for bed frame. Look, the mattress is against to the wall and the other side is against to the wall. This is the full size, and right now it's just laying on the floor. I like the color. It's not white. This one is tissue storage box. It looks nice and pretty, and it has a lid. So this color is beige. I like the color beige. This one is matches the bed sheet. So this one is a mirror. This one is not wellness. If you want to use the night, you have to use the charger. It has 3 settings. 1, 2, 3. If you don't use the night, you don't have to plug in. So there's a tray and you can put your makeup. This color is white. It's very light. I like it. It matches other stuff. This one is desktop trash can, and you just push the button. It's too pretty to be a trash can. I don't think I will use it as a trash can. I think I will just use it as a storage box. Maybe I'll put snacks in it. So the next one is the storage rack. This one is very pretty. I love this a lot. I love the gold stillness. It looks really nice. And this one matches the utensil holder. I really love this one. So it's 2 layers and it has a tray. So you can drink water. You can remove this part and clean the tray. This one is very useful because I wash my son's bottle. This one is perfect to make his bottle dry. Also, I don't have a dishwasher, so I hand wash the dishes and I use this to drain the water. It's very useful. Those are my son's cup. I just ordered this one on Amazon. It's a dinosaur. He likes it. Oh, he loves the bottle a lot. And here are the straws and the brush. I love this one a lot. It looks really pretty. It matches everything else, and it matches the trash can. Yeah, everything matches. It's very pretty. The next one is a retractable storage box. I use this to store the eggs. I can attach it on the shelf to save a lot of room, so I can put some other things. My son's milk, the soy milk. He likes the soy milk. I just bought this one today. Pumpkin oat beverage. My son doesn't like this one. I guess I'll have to drink this one. I still have a lot of rooms for food. The next one is laundry bag. I don't think I will use it as a laundry bag. I will use it as clothes storage. And it has a lid, large storage. I plan to put a winter coat. I love the color. It matches with everything. So you put the stick through tunnel so the bag will not fall over when it's empty. I like to use it as a storage bag. The next one is the hanging storage bag. This is very useful. It saves a lot of rooms. So this one is also from Shein, but the quality of this one is better than the one I received before. So this one is more sturdy than that one, and I like this color more than that one. I'm still organizing my stuff to make everything neat. It's kind of messy right now. This is for my son. When I wash his hair, he really doesn't like me to wash his hair because the water gets in his eyes, and so this one is to wear it on the head so the water will go down from the side. It won't get in the eyes. Very light. It's not made of plastic. It's made of foam, so it's soft. So the last one is Christmas prom dress. I don't have any chance to wear this dress now. I hope one day I'll get the chance to wear the dresses to Christmas party. This dress looks very fancy, so I'll just try it on for you guys. The material is velvet. The design is split thigh high, so it's got pads. So if you have small breasts, you don't have to wear a bra. So I'll just try it out. I don't know how I feel about this dress. It feels baggy here. It also feels baggy here. It's really big. I need to make it tight. So this dress looks fancy but doesn't fit me. It's too big. Even though the size is small, I like the style and I like the color. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. I really love those housing items. I wish the dress fits me. And I will see you guys in next video soon. And all the links are in the description box.